Your CIBIL Credit Report and the CIBIL TransUnion Score are integral to the loan evaluation process, and through this program, we will help you interpret these better. To begin with, let us understand what is CIBIL and what role does it play in your life. We at CIBIL manage the information of millions of credit-active Indians. Our role as India's pioneer credit information company is to provide banks and financial institutions with credit reports and credit scores in order to help them make informed credit decisions. At the end of the day, it is you, the consumer, who is our customer. We are committed to educate Indian consumers to empower them to manage their own credit in a responsible manner so that they and you are able to gain access to credit opportunities and an improved lifestyle without putting you and your family at risk. To explain the process simply, when you apply for credit at a bank or financial institution by filling an application form, the information you provide on this form is sent to us here at CIBIL and added to your personal credit records. The banks and lending institutions also send us monthly information on your credit payments and how you manage your credit. This forms a part of your overall credit history and will reflect in your credit information report. You can access your own credit information report and score from CIBIL in order to understand, manage, and protect your personal credit information. Let us now understand the composition of your credit information report. So, let's get started. The CIBIL Credit Report is divided into 6 sections. CIBIL TransUnion Score. This displays your current credit score. Your credit score has been calculated based on your credit behavior as reflected in the account information and inquiry information sections of your credit report. Your credit score ranges between 300 to 900. Did you know? Generally, lenders look for a credit score which is higher than 700. Personal information. This is the information that identifies you. This includes your name, date of birth, gender, and your identification details like PAN card, passport, driving license, voter's ID, etc. This section contains your personal details as provided to CIBIL by lenders that you have existing credit accounts with or to which you have applied for a loan or credit card. You must make sure that your lender is submitting the correct personal details to CIBIL because we use these details to formulate your credit report. Contact information. Your present and past addresses, telephone numbers, mobile numbers, email addresses, etc. appear in this section. The most recently reported information will appear first. Employment information. The most recently reported information on your occupation, income and employment is displayed here. Please note that the income information is captured at the time of your loan application. Account information. This is the most important section on your credit report. This section provides a comprehensive snapshot of all your loan and credit cards, along with a month-on-month record of up to 36 months of your payments. It contains the name of the credit institutions that have provided you loans or credit cards, the type of credit facilities you have availed like home loan, auto loan, credit card, and so on. The ownership of the loans, that is, whether the loans are single or jointly held. Details of your loans, when each loan account was opened, loan amount, date of the last payment made, current balance, amount overdue, and the days past due. if any. Status on your loan account indicates whether the loan account has been written off, settled, suit filed, etc., as reported by the credit institution. In short, this section reflects the existing status of the loan account in case there has been a default on the loan payment. Did you know a high credit score and a history of good credit behavior may help you get access to credit faster and at better terms? Inquiry information. This section simply displays a list of the lenders who have viewed your credit report for assessment of your loan application. It shows the name of the lender, date of inquiry, and the type and size of loan that you have applied for. Inquiries are added to your report when you apply for a loan or credit card, and the lender accesses your CIBIL credit report. We now know the various elements of a credit information report. Let's look at how to build a high credit score and healthy credit history. Here are a few tips. Avoid late payments or defaults as far as possible. Your payment history has a significant impact on your score. Late payments are negatively viewed by lenders because this indicates that you are having trouble servicing your existing obligations. Reduce your utilization of credit card limits. While increased spending on your credit cards may not necessarily negatively affect your score, an increase in the current balance on the card over time is an indication of an increased repayment burden and may negatively impact your score. Higher percentage of credit cards or personal loans, commonly known as unsecured loans, on your credit report. A higher concentration of home loans or auto loans, commonly known as secured loans, is likely to be more favorable for your credit score than a large number of unsecured loans. Although unsecured loans offer easy access to finance, it's also by far the most expensive form of credit. More the number of unsecured loans with high utilization, larger are the payments resulting from its high rate of interest. Avoid behaving credit hungry. If you have made many applications for loans or have recently been sanctioned new credit facilities, a lender is likely to view your application with caution. This credit-hungry behavior indicates your debt burden is likely to increase or has increased, and hence you may be less able to service additional debt obligations. We hope you found this program interesting and useful. Whether it is buying that dream home, that car you always wanted, or helping your child secure a good education, our aim at CIBIL is to help you achieve your goals. So maintain your credit history and credit score and pave your way to success.